Crypto Halloween followers, welcome back to our channel Crypto Halloween. So today we have a new video about the event of Bybit, the new event that we will talk about it in this video. But before that, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like this video, and see you again. Hello everybody and welcome back to the second part of our video. So now let's go to the page of our event of today, and the Bybit's card spending campaign is here, and as you see here, it's your chance to win big. So as you see, this is the page of our event and we will try to talk about it with details. So Bybit is giving away thousands of USDT, and you will need to do is to use your Bybit card for your everyday spending. Let's dive into the details, so let's go. As you see here, there is 42 days for the end of this event, and as you see, embrace luxury with the Bybit card, swipe, spend, and soar. Spend with Bybit card and stand a chance to win first class tickets worth up 10,000 USDT. So how you can participate is very easy. First of all, step 1 is register in this campaign. Step 2 is spend at least $10 in a single transaction using the Bybit card to earn entries in the grand prize. The step 3 is continue spending and wait for the reveal during the Instagram live. You can check the Instagram from here. So you must join the live on Instagram and see if you are lucky in these days. So in the 14th March, it will be 3 winners, 10k USDT for each. 10 winners, 100 USDT. For the 14th April, 3 winners with 10k USDT and 10 winners with 100 USDT. And when you enter this event, you can try your luck here. As you see here, there's some people, the emails of these people that they spend in this reward. So it's very easy. You must spend just $10 and you can begin in this event and try to win if you are lucky. As always, all the links will be in the bio. So make sure to register to spend in Jones. And now that you are registered, it's time to start spending. Use the Bybit card to make transaction of at least $10, and every $10 equal a 1 raffle ticket. Whether it's grocery, shopping, or paying services, make sure to use the Bybit card. And just to notify you, the total price is $60,000 or 60,000 USDT, of course. And if you have any question, you can check here. So how can I earn raffle draw tickets? It's just after you spend $10. How to win by announced. So it will be in Instagram live stream, and this is the term of condition of this event as you see here. So that's it for our video. I hope all is good. I hope you have benefit from this video. Check the event, tell me about all the question, or if you have participated in this event in the question section below. Don't forget to put like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.